Get my actual Flint napping hammer.
I've been out here because I came here when my kids were small.
And so I'm trying to even that up, make it more flat with this, so we didn't have to see how it had that bevel before. I'm chipping it back, but you can tell, see how white looking that's getting. That Flint's degrading, and probably would be better just to put a whole new Flint in.
That won't go down in there. Spark. That time.
Not sparking good though. Not like it should be. And that is called dressing the Flint.
Dressing the Flint.
Yeah, just resharpen it. I didn't see any spark that time, but I'm on the wrong side.
That's all feel.
Sparking a little bit, not like I'd like it to be. So that edge is pretty rough.
Yeah, that edge on the top side right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, ooh!
Oh, that'll do it.
That time.
That'll
Yeah,
do it.
burn off that wet powder that was still stuck in there. That's what I was doing. Yeah, I think this is going to work now, at least for
A little bit, yeah.
one way to find out.
I still haven't figured out, how did they figure this would get so hard that they could put soup?
When I swung that around, oh look, I'm bleeding.
Bottles out.
It works.
I've gotten bottles out.